The best 17 foods that strengthen bones. Good bone health is essential for overall physical wellness. Eating certain foods can help to strengthen and maintain the strength of our bones. In this video, we will explore 17 of the best foods that can help to promote strong and healthy bones. From dairy products and leafy greens to nuts and seeds, there are many different nutrient-rich options that provide essential vitamins and minerals for proper bone development. The recommended intake of these foods will also depend on age, lifestyle, and physical activity level. Cheese. Cheese is a delicious and nutritious food that can help to strengthen bones. It is an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for bone health. Cheese also contains protein, vitamins D and K2, and other minerals such as phosphorus and magnesium, all of which are important for maintaining strong bones. Cheese comes in many varieties, from mild cheddar to sharp blue cheese. While some types of cheese contain more calories and fat than others, they are still a great addition to any diet if consumed in moderation. One way to incorporate cheese into your meals is by adding it to salads or sandwiches. An ounce of cheddar cheese provides about 20% of the daily recommended intake of calcium. Other calcium-rich cheeses include Parmesan, Swiss, and mozzarella. So next time you snack on some cheese or add it to your meal, remember that not only does it taste good, but it's also helping build stronger bones. Arugula/collard greens. Arugula and collard greens are two dark, leafy greens that are packed with bone-strengthening nutrients. Arugula is a low-calorie vegetable that is rich in vitamin K, which plays an essential role in bone health by helping the body absorb calcium. It also contains high levels of calcium and magnesium, both of which are important for strong bones. Collard greens, on the other hand, are loaded with calcium and vitamin D, which work together to promote bone health. Including these two greens into your diet can be easy and delicious. Arugula can be added to salads or even used as a pizza topping for some extra crunch. Collard greens can be sautéed or steamed as a side dish or chopped up and added to soups or stews for some extra nutrition. Incorporating these foods into your meals regularly can help keep your bones strong and healthy for years to come. In addition to arugula and collard greens, incorporating other bone-strengthening foods like salmon, almonds, and yogurt into your diet can also have significant benefits for overall bone health. Making small changes to your eating habits today can have long-lasting effects on preventing osteoporosis and supporting healthy aging later in life. Bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense superfood that can help strengthen bones. This broth is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues in water for an extended period of time, extracting the minerals, collagen, and other essential nutrients from the bones. These nutrients include calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and glucosamine, which are essential for strong bone health. Moreover, the collagen content in bone broth helps improve bone density. Incorporating bone broth into your daily diet can be beneficial to your overall health. It can promote gut health because it contains gelatin, which helps to seal the lining of the digestive tract and reduce inflammation. Additionally, studies have shown that consuming collagen-rich foods like bone broth may help reduce joint pain associated with arthritis. Overall, including bone broth as part of your daily diet could be valuable for improving your overall health while also promoting strong bones. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and several other nutrients that contribute to bone health. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining strong bones. The yolk is also rich in vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium and phosphorus, two minerals that are vital for healthy bones. Moreover, eggs are an excellent source of choline, a nutrient that many people do not get enough of. Choline has been linked to reducing inflammation and improving bone health in animal studies. It also plays a critical role in brain function and development, making it an essential part of a healthy diet. For best results, try incorporating eggs into your diet in various ways, such as omelets or scrambled eggs for breakfast, or even boiled eggs as snacks throughout the day. Adding vegetables like spinach or kale can further boost the nutritional value of your meals while aiding your overall bone health. Moringa. Moringa is a superfood that has been used for centuries to strengthen bones and improve overall health. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, protein, and antioxidants that promote bone growth and density. Moringa contains high levels of calcium, magnesium, potassium, zinc, and vitamin K, all of which are essential for healthy bones. Moringa also contains plant compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can weaken bones over time by breaking down bone tissue. By reducing inflammation in the body with Moringa consumption, you can protect your bones from damage. In addition to its bone-strengthening properties, Moringa offers many other health benefits such as improved digestion and immune function. Adding Moringa to your diet can be as simple as incorporating it into smoothies or salads or taking it in supplement form. With regular consumption of this superfood, you can support your bone health and overall well-being. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of minerals that help to strengthen bones. These small but mighty seeds contain high amounts of magnesium, zinc, and phosphorus, all essential for maintaining optimal bone health. Magnesium helps in the absorption and utilization of calcium, while zinc is crucial for bone formation and growth. Phosphorus is required for the development and maintenance of strong bones. In addition to their bone-strengthening benefits, pumpkin seeds are also rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health problems, including weakened bones. Therefore, incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet can help reduce inflammation levels and lower your risk for developing osteoporosis or other bone-related diseases. To incorporate more pumpkin seeds into your diet, try adding them to salads or roasted vegetables as a crunchy topping or snack on them raw as a convenient on-the-go snack. You can also blend them with other nuts and dried fruits to make homemade trail mix for an energy-boosting snack during the day. Oysters and shellfish. Oysters and shellfish are excellent sources of calcium, which is essential for bone health. In addition to calcium, oysters also contain zinc and iron, which aid in bone formation and repair. Shellfish such as mussels and clams are high in vitamin B12, which helps reduce the risk of fractures. Consuming oysters and other shellfish can also benefit overall health. They are low in calories but high in protein, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. Shellfish are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to lower inflammation levels and improved heart health. To maximize the benefits of oysters and shellfish for bone strength, it is recommended to consume them regularly as part of a balanced diet that includes other calcium-rich foods like dairy products or leafy greens. It's important to note that some people may be allergic to shellfish, so it's best to consult with a doctor before adding these foods into your diet if you're unsure about any potential risks. Avocado. Avocado is a delicious fruit that is packed with nutrients that are essential for strong bones. The fruit contains high levels of vitamins K, C, and D, which play an important role in bone health. Vitamin K helps the body to absorb calcium and improves bone density, while vitamin C aids in collagen production, which is necessary for healthy bones. In addition to vitamins, avocado also contains potassium, which can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and brittle bones. Potassium also regulates blood pressure and electrolyte balance in the body, making it an important nutrient for overall health. Avocado is also rich in monounsaturated fats, which not only promote heart health but also aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D. Including avocado in your daily diet can be beneficial for maintaining healthy bones as well as overall well-being. Add it to your salads or blend it into smoothies for a tasty way to get all its bone-boosting benefits. Sesame. Sesame seeds are a tiny but powerful addition to your diet that can help strengthen your bones. These little seeds are packed with calcium, magnesium, and other important minerals that our bodies need to maintain strong bones. In fact, just 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds contains about 88 milligrams of calcium. Sesame seeds also contain lignans, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help prevent bone loss. One easy way to incorporate sesame into your diet is by using tahini, a paste made from ground sesame seeds, as a condiment or dip. Tahini can be mixed with lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil for a delicious hummus-like spread or used as a dressing for salads. Sesame oil is another great option for cooking and can be used in stir-fries or drizzled over roasted vegetables. Overall, incorporating sesame into your diet is an easy way to boost bone health while adding flavor and variety to your meals. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best foods to strengthen bones due to its high content of vitamin D and calcium. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in bone health by aiding in the absorption of calcium, while calcium provides structure and strength to bones. Just 3.5 ounces of cooked salmon contains approximately 100% of the daily recommended intake for vitamin D, making it an excellent source. In addition to its bone-strengthening benefits, salmon is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis and other bone-related diseases. Studies have shown that regular consumption of omega-3s may also improve bone density and prevent age-related bone loss. Salmon is a versatile fish that can be enjoyed grilled, baked, or smoked for added flavor. Whether you prefer it as a main dish or add it to salads or sandwiches, incorporating salmon into your diet at least once a week can provide significant benefits for your bone health. Cherries. Cherries are a delicious fruit that can help strengthen your bones. They are rich in antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. These compounds can also help promote bone growth and prevent bone loss. Additionally, cherries contain nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium that are essential for maintaining strong bones. These minerals work together to support bone density and structure, which is critical for preventing fractures and other bone-related conditions. If you're looking to incorporate more cherries into your diet, try adding them to your morning smoothie or snacking on them throughout the day. You can also use frozen cherries in recipes like oatmeal or yogurt bowls for a tasty and nutritious breakfast option that will keep your bones healthy and strong. Apple cider vinegar. One of the most unexpected additions to this list is apple cider vinegar. This popular ingredient has long been touted as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments, but it is also an excellent source of bone-strengthening nutrients. One study found that consuming apple cider vinegar regularly can improve calcium absorption in the body, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones. Additionally, apple cider vinegar is rich in acetic acid, which has been shown to increase the production of osteoblast cells responsible for building new bone tissue. It also contains potassium, which helps to prevent bone loss and maintain overall bone density. For those looking to incorporate more apple cider vinegar into their diet, try adding it to salad dressings or diluting it with water and drinking as a daily tonic. Overall, while not typically thought of as a bone-boosting food, apple cider vinegar can be an excellent addition to any diet aimed at improving bone health. Almonds. Almonds are a nutritious and tasty snack that can help strengthen bones. They are rich in calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E, all of which play important roles in maintaining bone health. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in bones, while magnesium helps the body absorb calcium and maintain bone density. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects cells from damage. In addition to their bone-strengthening benefits, almonds also contain healthy fats and fiber, which can aid in weight management and reduce the risk of heart disease. Eating a handful of almonds as a snack or adding them to salads or oatmeal can be an easy way to incorporate this nutritious food into your diet. Overall, almonds are a great addition to any bone-healthy diet. They not only provide essential nutrients for strong bones but also offer many other health benefits that make them a smart choice for overall wellness. Gelatin. Gelatin is a protein derived from collagen, which is found in animal bones and connective tissues. It contains essential amino acids that are beneficial to bone health, such as glycine and proline. Studies have shown that consuming gelatin can improve bone density and strength. In fact, gelatin has been used as a natural remedy for osteoporosis. Gelatin can be easily incorporated into your diet by adding it to smoothies or soups. You can also make your own bone broth by simmering bones for several hours until the collagen breaks down into gelatin. This nutrient-rich broth not only supports bone health but also aids in digestion and boosts immune function. In addition to promoting bone health, gelatin has other benefits such as improving skin elasticity and joint mobility. So if you're looking for an easy way to strengthen your bones and improve overall health, consider adding more gelatin-rich foods to your diet. Sea kelp. Sea kelp is a type of seaweed that is commonly found in the oceans. It is considered to be one of the healthiest foods for bones due to its high mineral content, including calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These minerals are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones as they help in improving bone density and reducing the risk of fractures. Sea kelp also contains fucoidan, which is a type of complex carbohydrate that has been found to have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can lead to bone loss and weaken the bones over time. Thus, consuming sea kelp regularly can help in reducing inflammation levels and protecting the bones. In addition to its bone-strengthening benefits, sea kelp is also known for its ability to support thyroid function due to its high iodine content. An underactive thyroid gland can lead to weak bones and osteoporosis. Therefore, it's important to keep it functioning optimally by consuming iodine-rich foods like sea kelp regularly. Pink salt. Pink salt, also known as Himalayan salt, is a mineral-rich form of rock salt that is believed to offer numerous health benefits. This type of salt is often preferred over regular table salt due to its unique pink hue and the fact that it contains more than 80 trace minerals. These minerals work together to support healthy bones and overall body function. Incorporating pink salt into your diet can be quite easy, as it can be used just like regular table salt in cooking and seasoning dishes. Additionally, pink salt can also be added to drinks like lemon water or smoothies to provide an extra boost of essential minerals. By consuming this type of natural mineral-rich salts on a regular basis, you may help promote stronger bones and reduce your risk for osteoporosis later in life. While many people seek out calcium supplements or vitamin D fortified foods for bone health, incorporating pink Himalayan salt into your diet may be another simple yet effective way to keep your bones strong and healthy. So the next time you're looking for ways to add flavor and nutrients to your meals, consider reaching for a jar of pink Himalayan salt instead of ordinary table salt. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are a colorful addition to any dish, and they're also great for bone health. These vegetables are packed with vitamin C and K, both of which are essential for strong bones. Vitamin C helps the body produce collagen, which is a key component of bone tissue. Meanwhile, vitamin K helps the body absorb calcium, an important mineral for bone health. One medium-sized bell pepper contains about 150% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin C and 11% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin K. This makes them an excellent addition to meals if you're trying to boost your bone health. Bell peppers come in a variety of colors: green, red, yellow, and orange, so mix it up and add some color to your diet. Finally, bell peppers are also low in calories and high in fiber. 1 cup contains only 30 calories. This makes them a great option for people looking to maintain or lose weight while still ensuring they get all the nutrients their bones need. So next time you hit the grocery store or farmer's market, be sure to grab some bell peppers. Notes and AMP. Summary. These foods are rich in essential nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D that play an important role in maintaining strong bones. Some of the top bone-strengthening foods include dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt. These are all excellent sources of calcium, which is the most prominent mineral found in bones. In addition to dairy products, leafy greens like spinach and kale are also great sources of calcium. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna contain high levels of vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium more efficiently. Other foods that can improve bone health include nuts, seeds, beans, and whole grains. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet regularly, you can help keep your bones healthy and strong for years to come.